Ready, teacher?
Yes. Yes.
Let's start.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. We will revise today how do we draw 4 points at a distance 2 centimeters from the line D. Yesterday, we did the same question on the math book. So today we will revise how do we place 4 points. Okay, teacher? So please, on a draft paper, let's practice how do we place 4 points at a distance 2 centimeters from the line D.
Good morning, Madam Malak.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Please,
Thank you. Thank you.
please now.
Sorry for being late.
Yes, Aya. Okay, no problem. Now we started, yeah, Aya. We were checking the names. Yeah. So on a draft paper, Aya, please put the draft paper in front of you. Set square and ruler. Let's place 4 points at a distance 2 centimeters. Yeah, I will write the question here.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Yes, Amal. Yes,
The
Amal.
line that you drew on you draw on the screen, how much or how much we want? No.
Line.
Number.
Do we know the length of a line? Do we know the length of a line?
I know.
Can I know the length
I
of a line?
No. No.
What did we say at the beginning of the lesson? The line never. The line never.
It doesn't have length.
Yes, bravo.
Also,
It's not a segment. It's a line.
So
So
we can draw the line how much we want to.
yes, yeah, Amal. Yes, a line never ends. We can extend it from both sides. It's not a segment. A segment, we know its length. Okay, it has 2 end points. But a line, no end point.
Which page, Madam?
It's an example.
Which
Yeah,
page?
it's an example, Ustaz Ali.
Okay.
On Friday we did. On Friday
on
we did exercise. I will show you. On Friday we did exercise. This exercise. Exercise 4, page 36. Now we will revise this question today.
Page 36. Okay.
Exercise 4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Number 4. Okay.
We will do today similar to exercise 4. It's an example.
كم سنتي؟
Place 4 centimeters MNOP at a distance 2 centimeters from the line D. Yeah, from the line D. We have to place 4 points MNOP. Each point is at a distance 2 centimeters from the line D. On Friday, we said the first step in order to place these 4 points, what shall I do first? Did you remember?
And of the same side, isn't it?
All of them at a distance 2 centimeters from the line D.
And of the same side.
Each point, kill point at a distance 4 centimeters from the line D.
All is above or all is below D.
We can do them above or below. Both of them are correct.
We have to place the points.
بالكتاب يا استاذ علي منهم محددين.
كم سنتيمتر؟
طريقتين.
اوكي بس بدنا نحكي عن parallel بالاخر.
البارالل بعدها
كم سنتيمتر؟
قصدي بنقول linear on a line on the same straight line, isn't it?
بس بعد البارالل لاين حنشرحه بالدرس الثاني هلا بعد هيدا.
اوكي. Yeah, okay, but of the same side, خلاص. Take them.
سنتيمتر.
طيب. First step, what shall I do, teacher, in order to place the point?
Place the point.
كم سنتيمتر؟
Each point is at a distance 2 centimeters. What shall I do first, teacher? Bring what?
2 centimeters of
perpendicular line.
Excellent. We have to cover perpendicular line. So when I say place 4 points. Jude, there's noise around you, teacher. What's wrong?
Teacher, no, not me.
You يا جود.
يلا okay
Please
خلاص.
teacher stay alone.
Pay attention and
Pay attention.
be silent.
When I say
Be
place
silent.
4 points M, N, O, P, first step, I will bring the set square ruler and I will draw perpendicular lines. Okay, please bring the set square, draw perpendicular lines. When I say 4 points, so we have to draw 4 perpendicular lines using a set square ruler. طيب, how do we hold the set square in order to draw the perpendicular line? Hold it like this. Like a letter L. Bravo. Okay. I will hold the set square like L. I will use just the 2 lines that form a right angle. These 2 lines that form a right angle. The bottom of the set square, I will place it where? The bottom.
On the line.
The line. Okay. So please hold the set square like me. Put the bottom of the set square on the line D. You have to make sure that the bottom is on the line. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So the bottom of the set square, did you see here the bottom? It's on the line, can't be up or down. It should touch the line D. Touch the line. Okay, right angle. Did you see the right angle here? Right angle, it has to be on the line. Okay? Now I will draw perpendicular lines. So I hold it like L. I place the bottom on the line D. Now I will draw the first perpendicular line. I will move it slowly, then I will draw the second one.
Okay, thank you, Madam Malak. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Let's draw now the second one. Then let's move it slowly and draw also the third perpendicular line.
Teacher, I write 4 perpendicular line.
Yes, 4 perpendicular lines. Now I will move it slowly also. And I will draw the fourth one.
Teacher, I write point M and N and O and P.
Yes. These 4 lines are perpendicular. Okay? They are perpendicular, so we have to place right angle here. Okay, teacher? Because they are perpendicular.
Okay. Teacher, no matter how they're tall, doesn't matter.
Yes. No, doesn't matter, ya Amal. Now I will bring the ruler and measure exactly 2 centimeters. Okay?
Teacher, I measure.
Do we need more the set square? Remove it or keep it?
We remove it.
We remove it. Now we will bring what? Now we will bring what?
Ruler.
Okay. Bring the ruler and let's measure now. On each line, we have to measure 2 centimeters. Yes. 0. Look at 0. Look at 0. Place it on the line D. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Count 2 and then place a point. This is the point. You have to place point because the question is mark 4 points. اللي بس بيرسم lines ما يعمل place للpoint, it's wrong. You have to place point. Okay? So count 2 and place the first one. Then put the ruler on the second line. Also count 2 and place the second point.
Perpendicular lines are exactly 2 centimeters.
Yes, or we can do it. We can extend it يا ملاك لأنه perpendicular line هو never ends. Okay, but we have to place points, so we will measure 2 and place the points.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, I will move it slowly, then I will measure the fourth one.
Teacher, it's okay if all of them are the same.
Length, no problem.
كلهم
Yeah.
نفس
Don't
الطول.
forget to
فيش
name the
واحد صغير
point. The
كبير.
first point is I will name what? M. Then
Is M, N,
then
O,
then
P,
P. Bravo. Yeah. Name these points. M, N, O, P.
O, P. Yes. I wrote them.
Bravo. Is it clear this question? لا.
Yes,
آية
Yes,
جفار.
thank you, teacher.
آية
Yes, teacher.
آية أنت حاطة M مع brackets.
No.
البوينت without brackets ما بنسميها ببراكتس. البوينت بس by capital letter.
Yes, I put a circle on it, not bracket.
circle. okay. اللاين لأنه line we name it like this, D between two brackets لأنه it's a line. But the point, the point is just by a capital letter. No need to put brackets. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
لما أحط brackets it's your line.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Any question about this example?
No.
It's
good.
Teacher,
Okay.
everything is good.
Okay. Bravo. Proud of you. Yeah. So can I erase?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher, now we will start a new lesson. Before we start, I want from you to pay attention and listen carefully. Look here at these perpendicular lines, at the red ones. Look. This line here and this one also, this one. هيدول red lines يا teacher. All of them are facing each other. Look, هيدا line face this line, facing this line and facing this line. Who said parallel? Who? Malak? Excellent. How do you know? Perpendicular. Malak?
Yes,
How do you know they are parallel? From who explained for you parallel lines?
because we took this lesson in grade 2 and 3.
Oh, bravo. Yes. Excellent.
I still remember them.
Yes, bravo, Malak. Proud of you. These lines, yeah, teacher, that are facing each other, these lines that are facing each other, we call them parallel lines. Parallel lines, yes. So our lesson today is about lines, parallel lines, okay? When do we say two lines are parallel? Yeah.
Teacher, what means parallel?
I will show you, yeah, Leia. Wait.
Other.
Facing each other, yes. Yeah. Pay attention and listen carefully.
I think like that.
Yeah. Our lesson today is about types of lines. We have plenty of these types. The first type is parallel lines. Parallel lines, yeah, teacher. Look يا ليا شحادي at these two lines. Two lines that are facing each other. Okay. And if we extend this line, احنا قلنا انه line never ends. We can extend it from both sides. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Never, if you extended more and more, the first line and the second one, they never meet. They never meet at a point. What do I mean by meet? Look at these two lines here. The first line and the second line meet at this point. Did you see this point? Teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you see this point? They meet at this point. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
They meet at this point. But here, these two lines that are facing each other, they never meet at a point. دايما هيدا اللاين بده يروح بهيدا الطريق وهيدا اللاين حيروح بهيدا الطريق. حيلتقوا شيء بنقطة بpoint?
No.
So they never intersect at a point. Intersect means meet. They never meet at a point. For this reason, we call them parallel lines. Okay? So parallel lines. Lines that are facing each other and they never meet, they never intersect at a point. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Repeat, please. What do I mean by when do we say two lines are parallel?
The line is a parallel line because they never meet at a point.
Excellent. They never meet at a point and they are facing
Yes,
each other. Okay. Please show me with your hands. Show me. Show me
Yes.
with your hands. How do you? Yes, or fingers. Okay, Aya. Show me two parallel lines.
Teacher, like
Yes,
this?
excellent, Amal. Bravo. These two lines are parallel. Bravo. Yes, Aya. Two fingers. Okay, or two hands or two fingers facing each other. Bravo, Abdullah Mehsen. Bravo. Bravo, Muhammad Mehsen. Who else? Amir Haidar. Bravo. Okay. So show me parallel lines with your hands. Who else?
Teacher, what do you mean parallel line?
Amal, you did it with your fingers. They are facing each other.
Oh,
And they
okay,
never
the
meet at a
same.
point.
They're the same.
parallel line.
Yes, Jude Isa. Yes, bravo. They are parallel. Bravo, Jude. Okay. So two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel if they are facing each other, opposite to each other, and they never meet at a point. Right.
Okay.
Teacher,
Okay, teacher, 1 minute, please. Where do you see parallel lines in everyday life? Where do you see parallel lines?
Teacher, I know بالشارع in
Excellent.
the street.
So where? Yes. Did you see here the picture?
Yes.
Yes.
On the
Teacher, the Alex off.
Okay, Rahab. So on the street, diagonal lines here are facing each other, so we call them parallel lines. They don't intersect at a point. Okay? So we said
Teacher, I
yesterday
always see on the road
on the
lines.
road, okay?
I see lines.
Lines, okay. These lines are
Parallel.
Yes, these lines are parallel. Okay. So these two lines, look, teacher, look. These two lines here, we call them what?
Parallel line.
Lines.
Teacher, the
These
electricity
two.
went off.
Okay, Leia. These
Teacher, how many times?
parallel lines. These two.
Parallel.
These two.
Parallel lines.
So all of them are parallel lines because they are facing each other and they never
meet at a point.
Bravo, Ali Ahmad. They never meet at a point. Okay. We have finished from the parallel lines. Now, perpendicular lines. We took it in the previous lesson, perpendicular lines. We use a ch4 ruler in order to draw perpendicular lines. Two lines are perpendicular if they form what?
Teacher.
Right angle.
Bravo.
Right angle.
And a letter like?
Right angle.
L. Bravo. These two lines are perpendicular.
Teacher, my electricity went off.
Yes, Murad.
the piece will finish. The internet went off.
Teacher, we still have more, Murad. Yeah. So, two lines are said to be perpendicular if they form a right angle and a letter like L. Okay. So, these two are perpendicular. Type. If I flip the L, if I flip the L like this, what can we say about these two lines also? Because they form what?
Letter L and right angle.
Right angle. Okay.
Angle.
So, two lines are said to be perpendicular if they form a right angle. Type. Now, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Lines are said to be intersecting if they intersect at one point. They meet at a point. Look at these two lines. They meet at this point, so we call them intersecting lines because the first one, the second one, both of them meet at a point. Okay? Intersect at a point, so we call them what?
Intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines. Bravo.
Intersecting lines that intersect at one point.
Lines that intersect at one point. Bravo, Leia. Okay. Type. Yeah. Look
Teacher,
at...
how many times on the period will finish?
Rahaf, we still have more time. Please, I'm explaining, teacher.
20 minutes.
Leia.
I'm asking you because the battery of the iPad is 0.
No, charge it, yeah, Rahaf. Yeah. Look at these lines here in the first figure.
I'm putting the iPad on the charger and zero.
Okay, what do we call these lines here in the first figure?
Intersecting
Why we
lines.
call them Bravo, they meet at this point. Excellent. Type. What do we call these two lines here?
Perpendicular lines. Because they form letter L. Parallel line.
Wait, Leia. So here they form a right angle and a letter like L. And the last one?
Parallel lines.
Because
Because they meet
at
Because they
They never meet. Never.
never
meet.
The first one they meet at a point.
Yes, the first
the
one
last one
opposite
never meet.
opposite للبارallel يا أمال. الانترسكشن هي opposite للبارallel.
opposite parallel.
لأنه البارallel lines never meet. Intersecting they meet at a point.
Always.
Okay, Amal?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Okay, this is the difference between them. So parallel lines are opposite to the intersecting lines. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Type.
Teacher, the class teacher, the
what do
class
we call?
ends on
easy.
12:30.
I will not answer you, Leia.
9 minutes and the meeting was.
Teacher,
Don't ask me
teacher,
about the
this,
time. Ranim
teacher, this
Bakri.
lesson is so easy.
Yes.
Ranim, what do we call these two lines here?
9 minutes. Intersecting lines.
Why do we call them intersecting lines, ya Ranim?
Because
they meet.
at a point.
Bravo, Ranim Bakri. Excellent.
Thank
طيب. Jawad Shibli.
Yes.
What do we call these two
Parallel.
lines here? Why?
Parallel.
Why?
Because they don't meet.
Jawad Shibli ya Leia. Jawad.
Yes.
What do we call these two lines, ya Jawad?
Parallel.
Why?
Because they never meet.
They never meet. Excellent. They never meet. طيب.
teacher,
Yes, ma'am, Peter.
Like
see parallel lines on our wall.
Where?
On our wall
Yes.
and floor.
Okay. Then Peter, what do we call these lines here, Peter? Ren?
Yes.
Teacher, I know.
Say about these two lines, yeah, Ren.
Parallel.
They form what? Look. They مثل البلاس هني. They form what?
Teacher, I say.
Amal, wait. Perpendicular lines. Excellent. They form what?
They form
They form a right
angle.
right angle. Bravo. So any lines that form a right angle, we call them perpendicular lines.
I forgot its name, but I still remember.
Okay. طيب. Ali Ahmad.
yes.
What do we call these lines? All these. What do we call them? Intersecting lines. Why do we call them intersecting lines?
Because
They meet
they meet on a
at a
Point.
point. Okay.
meet at a point, yes.
Okay.
They meet at a
Bravo.
point.
Okay. Now let's do this example together before we start on the math book. Yeah. We will name here two intersecting lines, two parallel lines, and two perpendicular lines. Type. Before we start with this question, look, teacher, at these two lines. اللي هن مثل البلس. I asked Dren Bitard.
Yes.
She told me these two lines are perpendicular because they form a right angle. Okay?
No, they are intersect.
هن يا ليا they are intersecting and perpendicular. Why they are?
Because they meet on
in
a point and they have a right angle.
Bravo,
They meet on a
excellent.
point
So
that
they
has a
meet
right
at a point and they
Point
form
that
right
has a right
angle.
angle.
So they are
they have both.
perpendicular and intersecting. And intersecting. So لما نشوف نحن plus مثل البلاس بيكونوا هن intersecting و perpendicular at the same time. Okay?
Yes.
Because they form a right angle and they meet at a point. So دايما ال perpendicular lines هن intersecting lines. طيب. Here I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. The first line, this line, I named it B. This line, A. This one, E. And this one, C. Okay? There is no D.
Yes.
So, عندنا 4 lines. B, هيدا هو the first line, B. Did you see the line B? It's vertically.
Yes. Yes.
I will draw it in black. This is the line B.
Yes.
Where's the line A?
Here. A.
Horizontally. This is the line A.
From the A to B.
لا لا هيدا line A horizontally.
A. Yes.
Line C also under it horizontally. This is the line. Line E. This one. Okay? هيدا هو line E. طيب. The first question is name two intersecting lines not perpendicular. يعني الانجل between them ما بدها تكون right angle. Okay? بدهم يكونوا intersecting and not perpendicular. Here الانجل يا teacher it's right and here also it's right. I will name now two lines that are intersecting. طيب ملك ملك كفل.
Teacher.
Name two intersecting lines non-perpendicular ملك.
A and B.
A, this is the line A and this is the line B, but they form a right angle ملك. They are perpendicular. The question is non-perpendicular.
Teacher.
Choose another two. A and
And E.
just Malak.
Yes.
Name two lines that are intersecting and not perpendicular.
C and E. A and B.
E and
C.
E and C.
C.
Okay, this is the line C. Where's the line E? This is the line E. هيدا هو line E. Do they meet at a point?
Yes.
Yes, this is the point of intersection. Do they form a right angle?
No.
No.
No, so non-perpendicular. So these two lines are intersecting but not perpendicular. Is it clear?
Yes.
So C and E.
E. Yes.
Okay. Murad Hurani, name another two intersecting lines not perpendicular. يلا غير السي والاي يا مراد.
A B.
لا ال A will be form a right angle. ال A will be they form a right angle. ما لازم يكونوا form a right angle, not perpendicular.
E A.
E and A. Okay, this is the line E and this is the line A. Do they meet at a point? Do they meet at a point?
What it means,
Yes.
teacher?
Yes, they meet at a point. So can we say that they are intersecting?
Yes.
Yes. So another choice هو E and A.
And they are not perpendicular.
Yes, E and A and they are not
Don't
perpendicular.
have a right angle.
Yes. Okay, Leia شحادة.
Yes.
Leia, now name two parallel lines. Two parallel lines.
Here the electricity went
The
off.
C. Wait.
Leia, name two parallel lines.
The E and the A.
لا الاي والاي قلنا intersecting. الانترسكتنج ما بيكونوا parallel. Parallel, they are facing each other, opposite to each other, like the road.
على الكتاب.
The C and the A.
على الكتاب.
No يا
The C
teacher, it's
and
an
the A.
example. برافو ليا شحادة. Line A والline C are parallel lines. Do we
Yeah.
have more parallel lines?
No.
No, excellent. So just A and T are opposite to each other and they never meet. Excellent.
Yes.
حسن فرحات.
Yes.
هلا name two perpendicular lines. يلا. We still have less than 1 minute. يلا حسن quickly.
A
A
and C.
لا A و C هن parallel opposite to each other.
B.
Teacher, can I
B.
say?
Excellent. A and B they form a right angle مثل البلس.
Teacher.
A and B.
Teacher and E.
Yes Amal.
Teacher
Name
E.
another two perpendicular lines Amal. Amal.
Yes, teacher.
Name another
Yes.
two